If this is gonna work, you've got to be quiet. The alarm is sound sensitive. The slightest peak in your audio levels could set it off.
What? So you can lock my butt in movie jail?
For the rest of my life.
You have 10 minutes to break in, find the painting,
And get out. Good luck, Joey.
Call me Skoma.
Okay, then good luck, Scum.
There's a key right here.
Shouldn't be a
Problem
problem.
for you? That's why they call you the Wizard.
Sure. Alright.
Correct. It's locked. I can't open these doors.
Easy, Skoma, you'll set off the alarm. Check for a secret hatch
On the floor. What's wrong?
You gotta be kidding me.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Shoot. Oh man, there's a ton of shit on the floor.
Tick-tock.
Talk, Skomio. You're running out of time.
Time.
Help me, Joey. Please help me. My God.
Yes. Legends say it contains the soul of...
Freddie Wong.
What's wrong?
Lasers. I might have. Oh, crap.
Hand over the painting.
Open the gate.
Hand over the painting.
Open the gate.
Hand over the painting. Thank you.
Okay, now open the gate.
Thanks for your cooperation. Enjoy the rest of your time in movie jail.
I thought we had a deal.
You thought wrong. Sorry, Skoma.
No. I'm sorry that I'm a wizard and I never told you about it. Even though people seem to know it anyway, that's why they call me the Wizard Alakazam! Nice. That's why they call me the Wizard. Good job, Joey. Let me out of here, will ya? Okay. Sweet. Happy to be of service, Mr. President. Check this thing out.
Joey! Joey, you come